Hello!
Connection. Hello!
Hi
Ayan.
guys, good afternoon. All right. So sorry for the few minutes late, but we are very happy to be here with you guys. So I'm Coach Rio, and of course my wife Nicole.
Hello!
So welcome to special edition of Move by Solar Sports. It's a complementary workout for running. So yun yung gagawin natin for today. And of course, even though we are stuck in our house, so it's very important to be active and keep moving. So we will be giving you some of exercises that you can use or do in future, or you can just join today.
So today, we're going to have the warm-up that will be led by me. The workout proper will be led by Rio. So in a few minutes, we're going to start. Okay? Let's wait for the others. Alam mo, Rio, very important kasi talaga for us to keep on moving while we are at home so that we can boost our immune system, diba? So through exercise, we can achieve that. And at the same time, nangyayari kasi pag nasa bahay lang tayo na wala tayong ginagawa, kumakain tayo ng kumakain. And then we want to at least keep on moving so that we will prevent from any weight gain and to be healthy also.
And of course, as a runner, we want to continue our training. So given the situation, it's very important to keep your regimen. So
Yes.
we will be having 10 exercises for today, and each exercise will last for 30 seconds. So for those who are always in shape or doing a lot of workout na, you can extend this to up to 1 minute. And then if you're a runner, you can do this for endurance. But today, since we will be explaining each exercise, so we will be having 30 seconds rest in between.
Yeah. So yung gagawin natin, one set lang, ha? So, but as soon as after we introduce all the workout, you can do this for 3 sets, 4 sets max, so that you can at least have that high intensity workout that you can do at home. So this one would be just a complementary workout also for all the runners para conditioning din nila bago sila sumabak ulit sa pagtatakbo sa labas.
So
Ayan.
whole body exercise to guys. So again, we will explain each exercise later while doing it. So let's start with our warm-up. So do we have questions?
Yes, we have comments from our Facebook
Yes.
viewers,
Hello.
diba? Hi!
Okay, so let's start our warm-up.
Okay, make sure you have your water and
Towel.
towels with you.
And
Okay?
also if you have yoga mat or just a towel so that you can use later.
For support.
Yeah,
yes.
for support. Okay?
Okay,
Are you guys ready? Ready? All right.
ayan.
Let's start
Let's
with
all
our warm-up.
stand. Okay.
Okay, so
Warm
first,
up.
of course, jog in place first so we can increase our core body temperature. Okay, let's increase the sound. All right. Okay, get ready guys. 10 seconds. Huh? Jog in place lang muna para we can increase our
Body temperature. So, you know okay, just swing your arms.
You can do forward if you want, if you have space, or you can do backward if you have space. Okay?
Okay, just keep on jogging in place. The next one, we'll do the pogo exercise. In 10 seconds, we'll start. So make sure that you are ready for the next exercise. Just keep on jogging.
Last 7 minutes. Last 7 seconds.
Okay, 5, 4. Okay. Next, pogo. Make sure you use your toes. Your heels should not touch the ground. Don't bend your knees. Keep it straight because we want to bounce off and use our calf muscle. Next exercise, we'll do a heel to toe exercise. So get ready in 5 seconds. Okay, guys. Ready. Roll, heel to toe. Okay, hands on your waist. Ayan.
Alright, okay pa kayo dyan?
Nag-increase na yung heart rate niyo for sure, di ba? Okay, that's a good sign because we want to at least prepare our muscles and joints for this intensive exercise that we prepared for you. Okay, 5 seconds. Next would be knee hug, so prepare.
Exercise.
Okay, bring your right knee too close to your chest and hold it. If this is too hard for you, you can hold the wall for support. Okay. Next. Other leg after 30 seconds. Make sure you stretch it well. Toes up. Hold it 3 seconds.
Exercise.
Okay, next, bring your left leg close to your chest. Hold it. Make sure to balance. Chest up. Okay. Make sure you stretch well, guys.
Last 10 seconds, guys.
Yan, kayang-kayang stretching na to, pero stretching pa lang.
Next is quad stretch, guys.
Quad stretch and out. Okay.
All right.
We're good for our warm-up, and then Rio's going to explain to you guys our next workout, our main workout pala.
Yeah.
Ayan, we're going to do this in one set, but before anything else, we'd like to tell you that this is a special edition of Move is by Solar Sports. Thank you so much for having us, and we will continue to make our runners sweat.
Yes.
Okay.
So again, we will be having knees. So basically, it's a running form. No? So when you lift your right knee, at least 90 degrees angle of your hips, and also in your knees, and of course dorsiflex. And then swing arms, the same, at least 90 degrees angle, swing forward and back, okay? So common mistake, naka-lean back and nag-straight yung elbow. So let's try that. And then we will be having 30 seconds recovery after that. Then explain the second one. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, in 10 seconds, guys. High knees, okay? Okay, and 4, 3, 2, 1, go. High knees. Okay, so side, straight back, lift your knees high, dorsiflex, relax shoulder. Nice one. Good job, guys. Go, go, go. Okay, when I swing, hindi na cross sa midline, just forward and back. Okay, last 8 seconds, guys. Good. Go. All right. So next naman is open close squat. So from standing position, jump. I'm sorry. Push up with shoulder taps pa lang muna. Okay? So, push up, touch, down, other side. Okay? If too hard for you, pwede yung modify. Okay? If it's too hard pa din, pwede yung push up lang. Okay? Okay, presto. Okay, ready? Go. Okay. Down. Left. Down. Right. Down.
Core tight, guys.
Okay, lower your butt, huh? And slightly separate your legs for balance. Okay, last 7.
Come on.
Last 5. Can do it. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Okay, our next is the open close squat. So from standing position, jump inside. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Last 15. So again, we will start in the standing position and then out. Okay. Out.
Make sure your knees doesn't cross or doesn't go beyond your toes. Okay.
Okay. Ready, go. You can do this as fast as you can if your form tama. But if not, you can do it slower. Okay? Last 15, guys. Our next for this one is flutter kicks.
Prepare your mats. If wala, okay lang din.
Nice one, nice one. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, flutter kick. So start from lying down position, lift both legs lang, and then move alternate. Okay, last 20 seconds.
Kaya pa, di ba?
So it's a combination upper lower core exercises. Okay? Last 5 seconds. Okay?
Catch your
Ready?
breath, guys.
Go! Go! Straight knees. You can do it slow. You can do it fast if you want.
If this is too hard for you, you can raise your leg up.
Yep.
But if it's too easy, you can raise your head up and then lower your legs.
Last 10 seconds, guys. All right. Next is jumping lunges. So start tayo from this position, squat, lunge. Okay, then jump other side. Okay, use your arms again, opposite ha. Kung ano yung right, kung anong leg yung nasa harapan, opposite niya. So, sa side. Okay, make sure pa rin na hindi mag-overlap yung knee sa
Toes.
toes. Okay?
Okay?
5 seconds. Okay, from this position. Ready, go! Nice one. Go. Go, you can
Come
do
on,
this also
guys.
faster if you can. Creating straight line from your knee to your shoulder. From this position, down. Okay, ready? Set. Up.
Exercise.
Down. Up. Next is skater hop. So basically, from this position, jump to your right. Then the other leg, go to your cross the back. And then return to the other side. Okay? So you can also use your arms again to balance. And left first tayo ha, going to the left. You can do this also if faster if you can, but if not, concentrate on the form and execution. Okay pa kayo? Nice workout. All right.
Okay. Draw your knees towards your front, alternating. Okay, make sure your back is straight. Do not arc your back. Do not move it back. Activate your muscles. Okay. Our big feet, but go in and out. Okay? 15 seconds. Catch your breath and prepare.
So imagine there's something in front of you. So you're touching using your right foot, and then
Come on.
go guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Iron cha-cha mabilis. Let's
Go.
go, guys. Woo!
Go, go, go.
Good job. Give it up. Come on. Woo!
Last 5. All right.
We only have one workout left. That's plank jacks. Okay? So this time, in a plank position. When you do your plank position, you just open and close your legs at the back. Okay? Control the movement. Okay, we ready for 10 seconds.
One more. One more.
This is the last one.
Okay, ready. Presto.
Exercise.
Go. Go, go, go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Last 17. Come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Last
10
10.
seconds.
Nice one. 3, 2, 1. Nice one,
Good
guys.
job, everyone. So we're happy we're able to do the one set of this workout. If you think you can still do two to three more sets, then do so at home. But for now, we have to thank Solar Sports for this special edition. Woo!
Okay, to summarize our exercises, so we did 10 exercises. One is high knees, push up and shoulder taps, open close squats, flutter kick, jumping lunges, glute bridge, skater hops, mountain climbers, quick feet, in and out, and of course the last one, plank jack. So that's only one set. So if you think you can still do one more or two more, you can do so. You can decrease the recovery in between. You can make it 10 seconds, 15 seconds. But what we did is 30 seconds interval.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
Water break first, guys.
And then we do our cool down workout, our cool down stretch.
Woo.
Ang sarap magpapawis, di ba? So we have to do this regularly. Ayan, to keep us healthy. And of course, we want this to be part of our daily routine.
Nice one. Nice
Okay.
workout.
So can we do the cool down stretch first?
I'll follow you.
Okay. Sige. Sit down. Extend your legs forward. Reach for your toes. Stretch. Go on. Lower yourself down. Okay, great. Now we have a seated spine twist. Raise your right leg. Move it to your left. Reach out for your left hand and twist. Look to the other side. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now change. Extend your legs. Change foot. Twist. And look to the other side. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remain the same. Lift your leg. This is a figure 4 stretch. Now lift your leg up. Now pull yourself forward. Push yourself forward. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now change. Figure 4 again. Leg up. Push yourself forward. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, good job, everyone. That's it for our stretch. If you have any questions, and gusto lang namin sabihin sa inyo, di ba? If nagustuhan niyo yung workout natin, for sure, meron tayo ulit. Di ba, Rio?
Yes, abangan nyo next workout session next week, April 26, 4 p.m. You have to follow and subscribe sa Solar Sports Facebook and YouTube account.
Yes.
Okay?
Oo, dun kami ulit magla-live sa inyo. So, both sa YouTube at saka sa Facebook ng Solar
Let's
Sports.
read some questions.
But you know what? You can also watch out for more videos by Solar Sports. Just make sure to tune in to their accounts. Check the workouts that we have for each and every one of you.
Oh, si Lyra is
Okay.
watching. Did you join? Sumali ka ba? Let's go, UP!
Yeah, UP!
All right. Okay, so read muna tayo ng mga messages nila.
Comments, yes.
Esper! Claire, hello.
Ayan.
Oh, a lot of my UP track and field team members joined or watch our workout. Okay, so hopefully nagpe-prepare pa rin sila kung nasan man sila. Sa province, nasa UP, or whatever. Okay? So stay
Yeah.
safe, guys. Ha? So again, it's very important for all of us to move and exercise to keep fit. And given the quarantine, no? So continue lang. So you can do it again next day para at least you have a rest for tomorrow. Okay? So alternate lang. And again, we will be having our next session workout next week, April 26, 4 p.m. You just have to follow and subscribe Solar Sports Facebook and YouTube account.
Okay, guys, if you had fun and you learned a lot from our workout today, hope you can share and tell your friends to at least tune in to our next workout would be on April 26, 4 p.m. again. Just tell them to go and check the YouTube and the Facebook channel of Solar Sports.
Again,
Okay.
this is a special edition of Move by Solar Sports. So watch out for more Move videos by Solar Sports. See you next week, guys.
See you. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had a great sweat session. Okay,
Bye.
bye.